my channel. Today's video is going to be the Crocktober video. I am participating on this year's traditional Crocktober with the mommies of the YouTube mommy meetup group. Everybody's going to do a recipe that is going to be done in our beloved Crock-pot. That's why it's Crocktober. So you get to have a recipe to do almost every single day of October, right in your jingle bells. Crock-pot. So today I'm going to do a dessert. My dessert includes very few ingredients over here. Something very easy to do, very delicious, and very warm for this weather that is going cuckoo off the nest. Mine is going to be the cinnamon roll casserole right in the crock pot. So let's get started. Remember, down in the description box will be the link to everybody's video, everybody's recipe for the Crocktober playlist. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and let's get to the video. Hi YouTube meetup mommies. We have the ingredients and what we're going to be using. For the ingredients, you're going to need your crock pot, of course, and the ingredients include 2 of the cinnamon roll packets. I have these ones. They're the original icing. They're the grand cinnamon rolls, and this one is the 1 pound and 1.5 ounces. So the 5 deluxe cinnamon rolls. You have
4 eggs.
You need 2 of
1,
those.
2, 3, 4. Whatever you have on hand, it doesn't matter. You need 4 eggs, the 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, the half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup right over here, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon right here, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That is all that you need. Very easy. You probably already have all these things, and you need to mix in and do all the shenanigans that we're doing. So let's get started with the ingredients.
Let's get started, shall we? Now our cinnamon rolls, we're going to be cutting them in 4 pieces. So let's all do that to all of these. Ingredients that we already measured in there, including the eggs, the syrup, the milk, the vanilla, the cinnamon, all in one bowl. Okay, now after you have all of your ingredients mixed and your cinnamon things cut, we're gonna get a non-stick spray. I'm using Pam. Nothing is sponsored. We're gonna spray all of the bottom of the pot right here, and we're going to put our first batch of cinnamon rolls cuts that we did. And this is the first roll, the first container. I kept them separate so I could know which one is one and which one is the second. We're gonna put it all inside. Right about there. Now that the first roll is inside, we're going to grab our mixture of the egg and the cinnamon and all that good stuff, and we're going to pour it all in there just like that. I'm going to swivel it a little bit more. Now that we have that one, we're gonna go ahead and get our second batch of cinnamon rolls and put it in there right on top of it. We have 2 rolls. We have 2 of these icings. One of them you're gonna save till the end, where you're gonna eat it and then drizzle this on top, and the other one you might wanna put it in the microwave for a 10-20 seconds and drizzle it in here. Since these have been in the refrigerator, and this one gets a bit stiff. Look at this. See, stiff. Microwave. It's already nice and gooey to be done over here. So now we get to drizzle. And there you have it. Now you cover it. You put it on low. Mine has this one that it just says keep warm, low and high. You put it on low.
And you're going to put it on your to be cooked, to be baked, to be done in 2 hours. 2 hours and 30 minutes. And start. 2 hours, 30 minutes, and then we'll be back and take it out.
The cinnamon roll casserole is ready after 2 hours and a half. I needed to do something else before I started recording, so I put it on keep warm. Of course, I put 2 off, and look at that steaming deliciousness. Now you grab your other little tub that you had of the icing, and then you drizzle it. If you had smell-o-vision, you would fall in love. Yummy delicious. Look at this cinnamon roll casserole. Delicious, delicious, with a big glass of cold milk or a big mug of warm coffee. Yum, yum, yum. Look at this. Yummy. Let's get to tasting it. Look how delicious this looks. Let's see.
Mommy, let me taste it.
Oh my God. Look at this plate. Yummy. Yeah. So give it a try. Comment down below if you did or not, or what are you doing? Are you a YouTube mommy meetup group of mommy? Subscribe. And if you haven't done so, please do so. And if you're today, thank you very much. And I do recommend for you to try it. Open your mouth. Open big. Yummy. Nena wants to taste it. Let's see. How is it?
Good.
Look delicious? This is scrumptious. Well, that is all for today's video. I'll see you next time. Subscribe. Yum.